Welcome and thanks for tuning in to our video on Notices of Supplemental Assessment. Chances are you just received one and have some questions. This video will help you understand the notice and supplemental assessments in general. This video moves fast, but if you have your notice in front of you, it will be easy to follow along. The top of the notice provides basic contact information for the Assessor, County Clerk, Recorder's Office. The left side of the notice shows who owns the property and the mailing address. Both the assessment number and street address of the property this supplemental assessment relates to are shown on the right side. The date the notice was mailed is also shown and is critical if you will be filing an assessment appeal. Moving down to the first big box, you will see two reasons a notice of supplemental assessment is issued. The first reason is the property recently changed ownership. The date of the change and deed recording number are also shown. The other reason a supplemental assessment may be issued is for some types of new construction, such as a new swimming pool. The completion date is also shown. To the right of the box is the new full taxable value of the property due to change in ownership or new construction. Supplemental assessments can impact either one assessment year or 2 assessment years, depending on when the purchase occurred or the new construction was completed. The boxes on the lower portion of the form will specifically indicate the assessment years involved and the supplemental assessed value for each year. It is critical to remember that you, as the current owner, are only assessed from the date of the change in ownership or the completion of the new construction forward.
Although the county tax collector is responsible for the issuance of tax bills and the collection of those taxes, we would like to provide some guidance on how you can estimate the tax liability for supplemental assessments. Since property taxes in California are based on 1% of the assessed value of the property, the amount of your tax bill associated with the supplemental assessment can be estimated using the Supplemental Tax Estimator on our website. You will need your purchase date and the purchase price in order to obtain an estimate. Remember, this is just an estimate, and the exact amount of your supplemental taxes will appear on the tax bill you will soon receive. That tax bill will provide due dates and instructions for paying those taxes.
The very bottom of the first page of the notice lists any exemptions currently on the property, while the top of the back page explains exemptions in more detail. One important thing to note is that an exemption shown on the notice may be based on the prior owner's claim, so you will still need to file a claim for any exemption you may qualify for. Please read through and make sure you file all exemptions available to you in a timely manner. More information on exemptions may be found on our website. The Riverside County Assessor has several district offices. The contact information is also provided on the back of the notice. We recognize that this notice has a lot of fine print, but statutory requirements specify that all this information be provided in one notice. If you need further assistance, do not hesitate to contact the office closest to you. And thanks again for watching.